Hello everyone, myself Astha Yagnik from third year BS. Today I am going to present my proposal for mass housing. This is a case study I did, which is the World 1 building located in Lower Parel, Mumbai. It has 117 floors, comprises of residences, world villas with private pools and duplex mansions. It has 6 floors of podium car parking. The planning is done in the derived from the clover leaf, which has 3 parts. So I studied the planning done in this curved form and also about designing the landscape. The site is situated at Gangapur Road, Nasik, Maharashtra. The climate here is tropical. The city faces extreme cold and extreme hot conditions. Some site contexts are Vrindavan Lawns and Nausha Ganpati. With site images, we can come to a conclusion that the site is almost flat and just has a gradual slope. The precipitation graph shows when the precipitation is most, that is in July and August. The wind direction graph shows the direction from which the maximum wind flows, that is we can conclude from the southwest side. The graph, the image below the graph show vegetation on the land. The last image shows Main Street in purple, by streets that are the secondary streets in blue, and settlements around in black. My main aim or concept was to create a panoramic view. So for that I used different heights of the buildings. So I placed the twin bungalow row houses and luxurious bungalows in the front of the site as we enter. Then 5-storied building in the middle and 10-storied building at the end. Hence, as we enter the site, a panoramic view is created. Here, landscape is designed. The huge trees have seating arrangements under the foliage. A huge jogging track is provided. It is accessible from all 3 multi-storied buildings. Here we can see ground floor plans of all the masses. The buildings, multi-storied buildings, have parking on ground floor. As seen, amenities like indoor games, shops, and libraries are provided. Multipurpose hall and healthcare are also provided in front of the site. Here we can see first floor of all the masses, and from here the floor plate of multi-story apartment building starts. Gymnasium and swimming pool are provided above the indoor games block. Here we can see second floor plan, in which we can see second floor of bungalows and multi-storied apartment buildings. Also we can see roof plans of row houses and twin bungalows, multi-storied buildings, healthcare, library, etc. These are the site sections, and from this we can imagine how a panoramic view is created. Here we have elevations of the whole project. Service floor is provided on the 7th floor of 11-storied building, apartment building. Service floor is required in emergency purposes like fires, gas leakages, etc. It is also used as mechanical room where maintenance equipments are kept. Here we have a building with 1 room and 1 BHK plus balcony flats. It is a 5-story building and comprises of a single lift and 2 staircases. Here is the column placement plan, section and elevations. The second building here I have provided 11-storied building which contains 2 BHK, 3 BHK flats plus balconies. This building consists of a service floor on the 8th floor. Then we can see the column placement plan, sections and elevations. These are the unit plans. And first we have 4 BHK twin bungalows, 5 BHK luxurious bungalows, and then 2 BHK row houses. You can see the sections and elevations. These are the 3D views, and here you can see how the panoramic effect is created. Here in this 3D, we can see the seatings provided below trees, the landscaping, and the jogging track provided below the multi-storied building. In the second image, we can see the view between row houses. And in the third image, we can see amenity space, which consists of shops and indoor spaces on the first ground floor, and swimming pool and gymnasium on the first floor. Thank you.